Good morning, y'all. It's another rainy day here down on the homestead. Uh, while I'm sitting here having breakfast with God out on the back deck, looking and surveying the property, it's a time to reflect and just let the Lord get in here. And while a lot of people get depressed or upset that it's raining, I don't. Because the way I look at it, the Lord give me this fine property. Here, let me show you. All of that. From the peach tree to the fig to the blueberries. Way out there. To that ugly pile of mulch. But don't worry, once that all breaks down, I'll be covering it with soil and that'll be a strawberry mound. The Lord has worked with me in partnership. That's why this place looks the way it does. I sit, I reflect, I have a cup of coffee, I'm quiet. I know Marlon loves the sound of the rain on the roof for some reason. But it helps me get perspective on where I fit in around here. And I mean God's greater plan. It's a good time. It's peaceful. It's quiet. Got my Death Wish coffee. And other than making these videos, I just kind of sit and listen and watch. You'd be amazed what you see and hear when you do. Anyhow, it's a rainy Saturday, but y'all have a blessed day and weekend. Peace. I love y'all, and you're absolutely awesome if nobody's told you.